Welcome to the Internet Source Node tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to import data from the Internet into PolyAnalyst for further analysis. To get started, drag and drop the Internet Source Node from the Node palette onto the board. Then, right-click on the Internet Source Node and select Properties. In the URL List feature, you can list all the URLs you wish to import. For example, if you would like to scrape articles from https://www.megaputer.com/blog, you can copy-paste the URL link and click Execute. Then you will be able to import all the text from the website as you see here. In the Select Document Types section, you can specify the type of documents you want to import. The Max Pages Depth feature determines how deep the node will crawl through links. Setting the depth to 1 will scrape the links within the listed URLs. If set to 2, it will scrape links within those links and so on. You can enable the Randomize Capture Interval option to prevent website server blocking scraper and blocking due to too many connections in a short period of time. You can also change the waiting time by specifying the maximum wait time per website in Maximum Capture Interval. The number of threads feature determines how many websites will be scraped simultaneously, applicable if randomizing capture intervals is not set. Limit pages loading is useful when there's a non-zero value in max page depth, helping avoid visiting ad websites by limiting to URL domain, path, or both. Regular expression to filter URL paths can be used to filter out URLs that don't match a specified regular expression. Update mode allows adding new content to previous data if the URL remains the same but the content changes. In the binary data option, you can choose whether to include binary data. The Extract From option lets you divide URL content into rows in a specific manner. For PDF URLs, use the Extract PDF Tables function or select OCR to convert PDF text into usable text. If you prefer using an external Python scraper, you can select it from the drop-down menu here. In the Advanced Options tab, you can opt to use a custom user agent to bypass websites that check for bots. You can also choose to import client and server error responses, treating 400s and 500s HTTP status codes as valid results. In the Sample tab, you can import specific rows of data by defining conditions such as importing data only between starting and ending rows, reading every nth row, or filtering data based on column conditions. In the Column Specification tab, you can adjust column types, deselect unwanted columns, and edit column names as needed.